Hello guys, welcome to my Advent Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix no low battery notification on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are not getting any battery low notification on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 laptop, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to click on Start menu. Then type here troubleshoot. You can see a troubleshoot setting, just click on that. You can see here other troubleshooters, just click on that. You need to scroll down a little bit. You can see here power, just click on run. Guys, it will take some time to detect any issues. If you find any issues, then try and fix from here. As you can see, issues found. Time before hard disk going to sleep mode is too long. It is fixed. Just close this window and close this window. After that, you can try the second method. Just unplug your battery and reinsert it after shutdowning the laptop. After that, try the third method. Just click on the start menu and type here device manager. Click on the device manager. After opening the device manager, in this you need to find batteries. You can see here second option batteries. Just double click on that and expand it. As you can see here battery tagger, just right click on that and click on uninstall device and click on uninstall. After doing this method, if still you are facing the issue, just click on the start menu, then type here control panel. Guys, if it is selected as category, just click on that and click on large icon. After that, you need to find power option. You can see here power option, just click on that. If it is selected as balanced, then go to change plan setting. You can see here restore default setting for this plan. Just click on that and click on yes and close this window. That's it guys. In this way you can fix no low battery notification on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.